ISOBUS devices often have a large number of functions. In order to be able to reach all these functions ergonomically, quickly and easily, we offer the 3L joystick with up to 27 functions. That means 3 layers, each with up to 9 functions. I would like to show you how easy that can be assigned by using the example of a 516 Vario together with the former 14055 Pro. So let's have a look in the cap. To assign the functions to the operation locations, we have to open the individual operation manager and have to go on to the 3L joystick. Here we can see the 3 different layers. In the middle there is the center position. On the left hand side we see the upper layer, so the switch to the top. And on the right hand side we see the lower layer, so the switch down. If we do not need the 2 additional layers, we have the special settings to switch them off and on. Now we can see there are already some ISOBUS functions pre-assigned. And these are my personal settings of my personal work profile. If I want to add now some functions, first we have to unlock it and then we have to move on to the functional group of the rake. Now I want to have the working position of the rake when I move the 3L joystick to the front. So that is this function here. And if I pull the 3L joystick back, I want to have headland position for the rake. And this is this function. Now everything is assigned, and if I lock it, it is saved to my personal work profile here. Now if I move the 3L joystick to the front, the rake goes into working position, and if I move it back, it goes into headland position. If I want to operate then something from the upper layer here, for example the right front rotor in and out, I have to hold the switch up, and if I move the 3L joystick out, the rotor goes out, for example to work out a corner cleanly, and I can move it back again. With this ISOBUS function here, I call up the memo position for the saved working width. As you can see, there is also a mixture possible of tractor functions such as the activation of the Vario guide or the engine speed memory, and ISOBUS functions all mixed. Now we can see with just one hand we can operate 27 functions and we do not need any additional control modules. So call your dealer for the latest software update version 4.